Hello friend, I am Dr. Samadhan Kale. Welcome in my channel Dr. Samadhan Kale. Today we are discussing about the tablet Limcee. It contains vitamin C. It also called as ascorbic acid. The vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. It is a water-soluble vitamin and essential for various body functions, including tissue growth and repair, wound healing, and immune system repair. It acts as antioxidant property, protecting the cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Now, functions of vitamin C. Collagen production. Vitamin C is crucial for the formation of collagen, a protein that make skin, tendon, ligaments, blood vessels, bones, and cartilage. Next, antioxidant. It helps uh, neutralize free radicals, which are the molecules that can damage cells. Then wound healing. It aids in the repair of tissue, including those involved in wound healing. Then immune system. Vitamin C support the immune system by protecting cells from the damage and causing the body's fight against the infection. Iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of the iron from plant-based foods. Source of vitamin C. Fruits like citrus fruits, orange, lemon, lime, strawberry, kiwi, mangoes, guava, and blackcurrants. Vegetables like green apples, green peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, potato, tomatoes, and leafy green vegetables. Others are fresh squeezed orange juice and same orange meat like liver and kidneys. Importance of vitamin C. Prevention of the scurvy. A deficiency of vitamin C leads to the scurvy, a condition characterized by fatigue, skin issue, and bleeding gums. Overall health. Vitamin C plays vital role in overall health by suppressing tissue repair, boosting immune system, and protecting the cells from the damage. Dose of the vitamin C daily in adult 40 mg per day, in pregnancy 100 mg per day. Vitamin C take in this disease condition 1000 mg a day. Tablet Limcee. Limcee tablet benefits are manifold. It improves collagen synthesis and contributes repair and growth of the tissue, thereby healing wounds. It tends to skin, hair, nail repair and intensify bone and cartilage strength. It facilitates absorption of iron and also has anti-aging property. Chew the tablet once a daily and enjoy orange flavor and take daily for 3 months and use for various diseases. How this like this information, then subscribe, like, share this information. Thank you.